Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 5 over 2 sine t. So if we put this one go in here, you got about 25 over 4 sine t square. Number 4, we cancel. 25, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, you got about cosine t square. And later that we simplify the square root and ds. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about 5 over 2 cosine t dt. So we put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 25 over 4 sine t square. So number 4 with number 4 we cancel. Twenty-five, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. This is about trigonometric identity. The square root of 25 cosine t square, you got about 5 cosine t. And now we simplify 5 cosine t on numerator and denominator. So we have 1 over 2. The integration of 1 over 2, you got about t over 2. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by 5 over 2. And you got about 2s over 5 equals to sine t. And you got about t equals to all side of this one. And now we put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.